What's going on, guys? I am back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Smael digital watch model WS1801. Okay, I just got this watch the other day. Let's see what comes inside. So you can see it comes with this universal stand holder. Nice gift. So you can see, for your smartphone, it comes with this ID card international warranty. Okay, there you go. It comes with the instructions, so you can see, in English, in Chinese. Okay, let's see the actual watch. Nice. First impressions of the watch is very nice. It's well made, nice quality. So you can see, check that out. It's a plastic band, buckle type watch. It comes with these tags. It's all black. Let's compare it to this quarter so you guys can see the size. How big is it? How thick? It's not that big. See the band? Very nice. Let's see what is inside of the screen. As you can see, it says right here on top, Smael. Inside it says Smael 1 to 100S chrono, water 5 bar resist. We have right here on the sides the light button. Hope you guys can see it. We have the mode button. We have the reset, and we have the start button. It says right here on the bottom, electroluminescent backlight, alarm, shock resist, chrono. On the bottom it says water resist. Okay guys, let's go through the modes. So you can see, it's right here on the bottom left. We're gonna push this button. We can see right here the chronos, the alarm, and the hour. So you can see the seconds are blinking. With this button you can reset it. With this button you can switch positions, so you guys can change the date and the hours. We have the hours. With this button you're gonna change the hours. We have the minutes. We have the months. We have the days. And we have the week. To go back to normal, you're going to push the more button again. And there you go. Okay, let's remove the tags so you guys can see how it looks like on my arm. Okay, let's remove the tags. It feels nice. It's very comfortable on my arm. Okay, nice. Check that out. Very nice. You guys can see. Okay guys, this is it. Please comment below, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later guys.